Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Hair Counselor. Thank you guys for coming to join me today. We've already steamed her hair, got that deep conditioning processed already. So we've already removed her from the steamer. Now I'm just rubbing it in her hair really good, checking the softness, checking her elasticity. It is beautiful. See that bounce back? Gorgeous. Watch this. Yes, that was some beautiful bounce back. So we're just going to do the same thing all the way around the hair. Make sure everything is rubbed in, nice and conditioned. And yeah, we just continue this process. I have an unboxing video of the awesome steamer that I have. It's really beautiful. It has 3 different settings, one for color, one for treatment, and one for steam. So you can use it for anything that you need, and I really like it because you can use it on all different types of hair textures. A lot of people that have fine to medium hair feel like that they can't steam their hair because it actually starts to break their hair off. In this case, that's not true. It works for you also. So we're just going to detangle the hair, make sure everything is nice and detangled, nice and combed through. And then once we get through this process, we're going to blow dry her hair. Okay guys, real quick, so while I'm blow drying, I just want to emphasize that when you're doing cornrows, the hair does not have to be bone straight. You just want it dry and detangled really good so that you can move very easy through the hair design. Hers is going to be really simple. We're not going to do a big detailed design of cornrows, so you guys will see it'll be really simple. This is the aloe gel that we're going to put in her hair. We're going to moisturize that in there really good and make sure that you get it on every strand. Make sure it's on the ends really good. Help to put some good moisture back in the hair because her hair was very dry before, and you just want to make sure that you massage it in really good. This is that Auntie Jackie leave-in conditioner. It works fairly well. It works much better on my younger daughter's hair. Maybe I'll do a shampoo and condition with her one day. This is the Design Essentials. It is also a blow dry and styling spray. So this is the biotin, but for the Design Essential, that's part of their collection that they use when they're doing a silk press. So it's really good. It does help with the blow dry time. It cuts your blow dry time down a lot. If you guys have some information on how I can get me a detangle brush created and made and branded and put out there for you guys, let me know, because this one is good, but I have some ideas on how it can be great. Okay, so we're going to detangle it. As you're detangling it, please go from the very end and slowly work your way up. Do not start at the end and go to the middle and think you can go to the top, because you're going to pull down all of those coils down into the other hair, and then it's going to cause the hair to get tangled, and that is just a big no-no. So yeah, make sure you always go from the very tip of the hair and work your way up the hair. Alright guys, real quick, just wanted to talk about this blow drying process I'm using. It is really awesome, it's really easy, it's really fast, and it is effective to get maximum hair stretch while you're blow drying without having to put the comb extender on your blow dryer. Once it's detangled and everything is good as far as detangling, you just pull the hair out and you hold it stretched out and you blow dry the hair, and it works really awesome. So we've already started her cornrows in the front, and we're just gonna do a few just so you can see it. It's not that difficult. It's over braid, which is called a Dutch braid, for this cornrow ponytail hairstyle. So right here, we're getting close to the end of the braid process, and I gotta make sure that these are nice and even. Gotta make sure your parts is right. So we're gonna put 2 small braids back here in the back. She said she wanted a tiny bit of style in the back of her head, so we're just gonna add it to the back with 2 small braids going into these last 2 big braids that are going up into the ponytail. Make sure it's nice and detangled. That way you can just work your way through. And yeah, we'll be done in a minute. So as we're finishing up here, I just thought about a quick question that someone asked me before. How do I braid with nails? The answer is I have no idea. I don't know. I just do it. I just know with certain hair textures, sometimes it causes you to lose a little bit of the grip that you would have due to the nail extension. And mine's are about maybe a 1/2 inch long. But yeah, it really didn't affect my grip this time, so it worked out really well. I appreciate you guys coming, sitting down with me, watching the video. If you guys would like to see how to do a 3-strand Dutch braid, let me know, and we'll do a video that goes more slow where you guys can see how I do my overhand Dutch braid, which a lot of people are doing. This is just your regular cornrow. We call it French braid, but the correct term for it is Dutch braid. Yeah, so let me know. what you guys think, what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I will work on posting more frequently. I don't know why she tilted her head all the way to the side. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, Heather Turner, sit your head up. Why you coming with me? You keep your head right in the middle as I'm braiding. I don't need you leaning over to the left, So we're just going to put it up in a ponytail, and she'll be good for about a week, maybe even 2 weeks, depending on, how she helps take care of her hair. So this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon. Oh, be sure to like and subscribe and or share.